Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to talk about Pentester Academy Cyber Security Certification. Now this video is going to slight bit more controversial, and I think this is fine. I don't want to make more noise, but I just want to tell the truth that nobody speaks about on internet or anything. So again, this video is not been sponsored by Pentester Academy or anything. I wish they would have sponsored me, or maybe we would have done something like a free course certification sponsorship, but not this right now. This is not happening because I mean, this is a pretty small channel and I'm just talking about some of the truth fact, but probably in future if I get a chance I will definitely try to do that. So if you are new to my channel, please go ahead and do the subscribe button, do hit like, share. Also about this video, if you have anything, your view, you can write in the comment box, which will definitely help other, and I will try to reply if you have any query or anything. So let's get started. So you might have heard about Pentester Academy and their certification courses. So they provide wide ranges of courses in cybersecurity, starting from assembly, Windows, Wi-Fi, web application, JavaScript, Active Directory, and all those things. So I have personally gone through their website and looked at their course and their content that they are providing with the amount, and also they are providing the lab facility, which is really excellent. Again, luckily I have also got a chance to talk with Vivek Ramachandran in 2014 or 15 when they were talking about different courses like JavaScript and other things. It was really great experience talking to such kind of person. Now I have seen their courses material, as I said. I mean, the recent one, if you see the Active Directory by Nikhil, super awesome. Their lab in design in such a great manner, which will definitely help someone to learn about the approach toward pen testing Active Directory. Again, if you go through the courses by Philips Polastra, again I have spoke to him in 2019, I guess, when he was in India during the second Bangalore time. Again, he is a great personality. His course material and the way of teaching, the methodology is super awesome, which you will not get anywhere else. Now also, if you look at the Wi-Fi security course by Vivek Ramachandran and all those courses by Pentester Academy are super great. Now one of the points that I wanted to say in this particular video, this is the positive part. Now another part is which I want to talk about is nobody basically pays much respect, or I mean deserved respect, for Pentester Academy certification as like they pay for OSCP or maybe eLearn certification or SANS certification. I understand those are like high in the market and their market value is, or the certification value is quite high in the market. I understand that they teach super deep or excellent material. Their certification process, help, support, everything is super really great. However, not everyone can afford those kind of courses, right? People might have less in budget, they might have not the sufficient money. Maybe take an example of students, which I guess Pentester Academy or the learner Pentester Academy target the most. So they provide these courses or these learning material in really low prices. Now again, I am not comparing this course with your OSCP and other thing, because that is not this particular video is meant to be. They are in their way, which is again great course. I have already made video on OSCP or eLearn certification. Probably I will put the link in the description box. You can go ahead and watch them. But what I want to say is, somebody says that he has done the certification from your Pentester Academy, then he or she must have learned something out of it, the course that he has gone through. It might not be as valuable as your OSCP or other thing, but again I am pretty sure that that person would have learned many things after going through the course from Pentester Academy. So what I want to say is, like, people or HR or maybe your organization interviewer person, whoever is taking the interview of the particular person, he should not or never ignore the certification done by your Pentester Academy. You need to pay slight bit respect, or at least some amount of respect for the person whoever has done any certification using the Pentester Academy course. And I am sure that person, whoever he or she has done these courses, must have learned many things out of the course or journey during their Pentester Academy. So this is what the main idea behind is. Again, I know that many people basically download the Pentester Academy video and put, again, let's not talk about that. That's another thing which I don't want to talk about. So this is pretty much about this particular video. HR or maybe interviewer, if you are taking interview, my request to you all is please pay some respect to the person who has done cybersecurity certification from Pentester Academy, because that person has learned a lot of things. He has gone through their material, he has gone through their lab, he has gone through their exam, he has proved that he has basically learned everything and completed the exam. So you must pay slight bit respect for the person who has done cybersecurity certification from Pentester Academy. So this is pretty much about this video. I hope you like this. Do let me know your view in the comment box also, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.